Maven starts by defining business objectives around cost, customer delivery, and controls. It designs and optimizes a holistic operating model which helps leaders to bridge the gap between strategy and operations on ground and calculates the impact of any interlinked solutions on all functional areas of an entire operating model. It then provides a step-by-step implementation tree, defining process, people and technology changes required to execute solution decisions. Here, we sum up the current state process metrics into cost, total team count, cycle time and controls coverage. To understand what are we solving for, we define an objective of cost reduction. Inputs for designing an operating model on Maven starts with a cross-functional Visio process map which is then enriched with process data such as volumes, average handling time, input modes, deadlines, and additional process data such as policies and procedures and systems and applications. Next it takes input on teams' locations, whether teams are in or out of scope and whether team is a human or system. We then input working hours and shift timings for the respective teams, followed by number of members in each team, which is calculated by Maven based on effort and work hours for each team. Additional input for teams include competency mapping of the business rules based on skill set required to perform each activity, followed by selection of talent pool for the respective teams, followed by infrastructure costs for respective locations. Next, the existing controller objectives are set, followed by selection of risks which can hamper the given control objectives, from the Basel category of risks. Now, we identify where these vulnerabilities lie in the process map by selecting risk activities from the given list and map their respective existing controls. Based on all these data inputs, Maven runs the model to compute the corresponding analytics for our current state model. In this case, the total cost of the project is $1.6 million. The end-to-end cycle time is 5.3 days or 127 hours, with 72.9% of the risks covered with existing controls. The total ZIS team size is 46 FTE. Based on the project objectives, we go down their respective solution trees to identify areas of improvement and respective benefit cases. In this case, if we look at cost tree, Maven has identified a benefit of 13% across utilization optimization levers such as work allocation and process constraints and a 30% FTE benefit in automation. Here it has also identified a higher rework effort as an issue and suggests a benefit in reducing rework. Similarly, it identified the additional benefit case in reducing effort spent on undesired outcomes or unhappy paths. As per our objective of cost reduction, let's look at maximum FTE reduction opportunities for this case. Here, since 30% benefit lies in automation, we will examine the opportunity, simulate it and test its impact on other function levers. Select the systems which are compatible with RPA implementation. Maven identifies the activities which can be automated and classifies them as quick wins or activities which can be easily automated, activities which require system testing and the ones which uses a PDF or scanned image and hence require digitization. Look for quick win opportunities with clusters having greater benefit. Select and simulate to assess impact. Here we can see that by automating the selected activities, we get a benefit of 6 FTE which gets transformed into a cost benefit and the cycle time and controls remain unchanged. Since this is a good opportunity, We implement it and Maven will create a to-be scenario and shows additional benefit opportunities. By implementing the selected opportunities, our cost is reduced by $38,000. Since our target is at least a 30% cost reduction, let's look at other additional cost reduction opportunities shown by Maven. Here, the cost tree is automatically updated by Maven as per impact of implemented opportunity on other levers. You can see that the work allocation benefit which was shown earlier has gone, as an impact of automating the selected activities. To achieve our objective, let us examine an additional cost reduction opportunity through talent pool rationalization. Keep on repeating the cycle of opportunity identification and implementing for impact analysis, until maximum benefit is achieved. If your objective is to solve for customer experience and controls, you can go down the respective decision trees to identify opportunities and analyze their impact on the overall operating model. This shows specific tasks and subtasks to be performed for execution of identified solution areas, which can be downloaded for review and sharing. Further, the implementation tree in Maven shows these specific key measures with their impact on respective process metrics. This helps you in creating a synchronized execution plan for maximum impact. As per ours' process metrics, our cost was $1.6 million with a team count of 46. After implementing selected functional levers from the opportunities shown by Maven, we have reduced the total cost by more than 30%, and got a 17% FTE benefit here along with a cycle time benefit, without impacting existing controls. For any future process, people or technology changes, users just need to revise the model on Maven to identify additional benefit opportunities for cost optimization, improving customer delivery and ensuring the right control environment. Maven gives you a better, faster and safer solution as compared to traditional methodologies, by providing quick results using scientifically tested algorithms and built-in data libraries and being a one-stop shop for end-to-end operating model optimization.